Hey crew, today we're going to be watching a video today. It's going to be called Y'all Check Out My Tesla Site Cybertruck. I Wrecked It by Ginger Billy. If you liked my content, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and click all the links in the description that or to my socials. If you want to watch the video yourself, it'll also be link will be in the description. So let's get started. All right, guys, here's the video. Let's start watching it. Again, it's called Y'all Check Out My Tesla Cybertruck. I Wrecked It by Ginger Billy. All right, let's do it. What's my audio quality? That needs to be higher. There we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Holy shit, he's speeding at us. He's fucking booking it. Oh crap. Oh crap. Hi there. Hello.
Oh no, this truck here
Hello.
is full on electrical. Runs off
Okay.
of 4,000 AA batteries. This
4,000 AA batteries. Damn. That's a lot of batteries. That's a lot of batteries. All right.
is my Tesla
Cybertruck.
and it is 100%
Tesla Cybertruck.
today. Now, don't let the silence of this
Oh
thing
crap.
fool you. I ain't got to deal with all that combustion like them gas.
I don't like where I placed that.
Power goes straight to the
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Oh, okay.
I ain't even got the gas.
Okay.
Y'all look at that
Shit.
right there. The Tesla Cybertruck's got so much power that it left it
no.
right into pavement.
No, I don't believe it.
ain't never seen no
I don't
gas-driven
I don't
vehicle
believe it.
leave a
I
crater
don't
in the
believe it.
pavement. know a lot
I
of y'all
don't
probably
believe
think,
this.
"That ain't got
I'm
no
moving myself
long
over
length.
here.
It ain't always
There we
the
go.
length that matters." At least that's what my wife tells me. Right? You see, this thing's got a lot of depth, okay? Look at it.
Oh, the
Look,
penis joke
got
is
a lot of
perfect.
girth. I can put a lot of things down in that bed.
Oh.
Silence. That's cause this motor don't make no noise. Unlike them gas motors. And I don't pollute the atmosphere neither. As I ride down the road, the trees and the birds,
Oh, thank you so
now, my
much.
Tesla Cybertruck was built off the concept of an
Okay.
F-22 Raptor
Ooh.
fighter jet.
That's a
This
decent
thing here is so
plane.
sticky.
Decent
When
plane.
I'm riding down the road,
Decent plane.
a highway patrolman's
Trying to
radar
move
will
over
not
here.
even
I don't
pick
like
up
the
my
placement.
speed.
Okay.
When that old policeman hit my car with that radar, he goes, pew,
Pew.
like I can bounce right off of it.
Damn.
Now, although we did spend a lot of time, money, and effort on the
Moving over here. There we go.
of the stealthy look and raw power
This.
of the Tesla Cybertruck, we did not cut corners when it comes to safety. As you can see here, by our technologically advanced airbag system.
What?
Unlike them ancient airbag
What?
systems that all them other
What the
vehicle makers
heck
use
is
that'll
that
punch you in
thing?
the face, this technologically advanced airbag system in the
What the heck
Cybertruck
is that
allows
thing?
your face to gently ram into the steering wheel.
What the heck is that thing?
Now this old Tesla
That ain't
Cybertruck
safe.
ain't only fancy on the outside.
That
it
ain't
is also
safe.
fancy on the inside. You can see here I have
Okay.
myself a digital dash and
Ooh.
an infotainment center. And I bet you ain't never seen no vehicle with magnetic doors.
Holy shit. Magnetic
You know,
doors.
since we're-
Sorry.
A lot of people think that just because the old Tesla Cybertruck is fully electrical, that it ain't got the off-road capabilities of them gas trucks. But they wrong.
Hopefully
This
it does.
thing can go
Hopefully it
anywhere
does.
a gas truck can go. Gonna do
Okay.
some off-road in the Tesla Cybertruck.
It's going so slow.
This thing do anything them gas
It's
trucks
going
can't.
so slow. It's sinking.
Look
The
out.
thing's
Go off-road.
sinking.
I just realized I lost my tailgate. Look out my darn tailgate.
Holy crap. He lost the tailgate.
That titanium is so strong, it pulled the darn rivets right off the frame of the truck. That's all right. Look at what I got.
Oh my
for.
god.
Right there.
That don't look safe.
See, all them parts is removable. I just go back, pop it right back on.
That don't look
You
safe,
would be
Chief.
off-road. Oh, Tesla Cybertruck. You can't stop it. Look at it.
It's going to get stuck. It's going to get stuck.
Look at it right there.
It didn't get stuck.
That is a big old hill.
It didn't get stuck. Oh my god. It didn't get stuck. I will not be on this thing. Chief, I will not be on this thing. That looks like hell. That looks like danger. That screams danger to me. That screams danger. Is he okay? Is he okay? I think he has, Chief, dude, I think you have a concussion.
My airbags saved me.
Yeah, he has a concussion, you guys.
If anybody
Guys,
would like to buy
guys, he has a
slightly
concussion.
used Tesla
He has a
Cybertruck,
concussion.
you let me know.
He has a
I got
concussion.
one for sale.
He definitely has a
Good night.
concussion. Okay then. Okay then. That was a thing. Okay then. That was a thing. That definitely was a thing. Well, yeah, that was Tesla's Cybertruck by Ginger Billy, and he wrecked it. That was a thing. That was definitely something. We heard dick jokes. We heard other jokes. Obviously, he's a comedian. It's obvious he's a comedian, okay? Obviously, it's not supposed to be taken seriously. It's supposed to be haha funny joke. It's supposed to be haha funny joke. Okay. Is what it is though. Regardless, yeah, that was the video. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe, drop a like. That's very important and very helpful for me. Very helpful. And I'll be much appreciated if you guys did. What else? Make sure to follow me on Twitter and join the Discord, which both will be, and ask questions about me on tell or me, or whatever it's called. Links will also be in the description for those. It's the best way to get to know when I go live next, which I will be going live tomorrow at 4 p.m. for Minecraft on the Divergent SMP. If you want to watch, I will be live on Twitch for that. So make sure to go watch that. And you know, make sure to follow me on Twitch and everything. Best way to know when I go live though is to follow me on Twitter and follow me on Discord. I post when I go live all the time on those two platforms, okay? That without that, thank you for watching, and I'm Dolium, and see you next video.